Luxury pool tile and outdoor living features create a personal backyard retreat. In this video, we'll explore the latest trends for spring 2025, including stunning tile options, fire pits, and porcelain pavers to transform your space. Let's dive in. Luxury tile defines modern pool design. Luxury pool tile now takes center stage in outdoor design, transforming ordinary backyards into luxurious retreats. Homeowners and designers appreciate the ability of these high-end tiles, from shimmering glass mosaics to elegant porcelain, to create a visually striking and enduring focal point. Why it's worth the investment. Investing in luxury pool tile delivers lasting value through durability, low maintenance, increased property value, and design versatility, enhancing your home's appeal. Let's take a look at our favorite trends for the season. A gentle splash, pastel pools. Spring 2025 sees pool design embracing soft pastel tiles, creating serene outdoor spaces. Vidrepur's Oasis glass tile collection offers a range of these soothing hues for personalized, airy aesthetics. Iridescent tile designs. For a show-stopping pool, Spring 2025 embraces iridescent glass and metallic finishes. Iridescent glass tiles offer a mesmerizing light refraction, creating an otherworldly ambience and a dynamic color display, perfect for various pool design elements. Large format tile designs. Moving beyond traditional mosaics, luxury pool design now favors large format porcelain tiles for their ability to integrate pool and patio spaces with a modern, seamless aesthetic. The Ocean Wave Cobalt tile provides a striking example of this trend. Customizing with mixed tile materials. For a captivating pool design, Spring 2025 emphasizes mixing tile materials. Pairing textures like 3D glass with patterned porcelain or shimmering iridescent with matte stone creates depth and personality, resulting in a one-of-a-kind oasis. Textured tiles, function and aesthetics. Textured tiles are gaining prominence in luxury outdoor design, providing crucial safety through improved traction while enriching visual appeal. Refined textures enhance pool surfaces and outdoor kitchens, making them a popular choice. The hip-hop camel tile demonstrates its transformative effect. Outdoor trends. Incorporating luxury pool tile. Spring 2025's luxury pool tile trends align with broader outdoor living designs, creating cohesive, resort-style spaces. These are some popular ones this season. Seamless indoor-outdoor spaces. The season's design trends emphasize seamless transitions by coordinating patio pavers, pool coping, and interior flooring. This creates a sleek, unified outdoor living area that feels like an extension of the indoor space. Sustainable solutions. Sustainability is key in pool design, with luxury tile options made from recycled glass and eco-friendly processes. Companies like Vidrepur, American Glass Mosaics, and Trend offer beautiful, sustainable choices. Combine these tiles with eco-friendly furniture for a dream outdoor space you can feel good about. Other considerations. Given the vast array of luxury pool tile choices, careful consideration is essential. Here are factors to guide your selection. Climate. Tailor your tile choice to your climate. Frost-resistant tiles for cold areas, and heat-reflecting tiles, often in white or matte finishes, for hot regions. Explore color options like beige, black, and blue. Current landscape design. Match your luxury pool tile to your home's exterior and landscaping. Incorporate artificial turf for a low-maintenance, green surface that enhances the pool area, creating a cohesive and luxurious outdoor space. Poolside fire pits and tables. Poolside fire pits complete a luxury outdoor space, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere alongside pool tile, kitchens, and artificial turf. They extend the spring outdoor season, offering a perfect setting for socialization and relaxation all year long. Maintenance requirements. Although luxury pool tiles are durable, maintenance varies. Natural stone, while beautiful, requires more upkeep than porcelain pool tiles or glass pool tiles, which are popular for their ease of care. Tile installation. Professional installation is essential for luxury pool tiles, ensuring both beauty and function. Key factors include proper base preparation, flawless waterproofing, precise cutting, and the use of quality grout like Starlike Evo for enhanced water resistance. In spring 2025, luxury pool tile and outdoor accessories transform backyards into personalized havens. From glass mosaics and porcelain pavers to fire pits and artificial turf, you're ready to transform your outdoor space into your personal paradise. Contact us today.